Understanding the phrase, hot mess. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we have a very interesting phrase to talk about. Hot mess. You might have heard this phrase in movies, TV shows, or even in everyday conversations. But what does it really mean? Let's dive in and find out together. Remember, understanding these phrases can really help you sound more like a native speaker. The phrase, hot mess, is actually made up of two words, hot and mess. Let's look at them individually. Hot, in this context, hot doesn't refer to temperature. Instead, it's used to emphasize the intensity or severity of the situation. Mess, this refers to a state of disorder or confusion. When combined, hot mess describes a situation or a person that is in extreme chaos or disarray, but it's often used in a somewhat playful or humorous manner. Now that we understand the components, let's see how hot mess is used in sentences. 1. Describing a person. After working for 48 hours straight, Jake looked like a hot mess. 2. Describing a situation. The project was so poorly planned, it was a hot mess from start to finish. Notice how in these examples, hot mess is used to highlight the chaotic and disorganized nature of the person or situation. Hot mess is quite informal and is best used in casual settings. It's not something you would want to use in a formal report or professional meeting. Here are some guidelines. Casual conversations, perfectly acceptable, especially if you're describing a humorous or lighthearted situation. Social media. You might see this phrase used often in captions or comments when people are sharing funny or relatable content. Be careful. Even though it can be humorous, ensure that the context is right, as it can be offensive if used to describe someone in a serious or unfortunate situation. And that's a wrap on hot mess. I hope this video helps you understand this playful yet chaotic phrase and how you can use it in your own conversations. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding the culture and context in which certain phrases are used. So keep practicing, keep learning, and until next time, happy speaking.